Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we discuss on business insurance. First of all, key points. What is business insurance? Why is business insurance is so important? Common type of business insurance, benefit of business insurance. What is business insurance? Business insurance refers to a type of insurance that protects our businesses against potential risk and liabilities. It provides financial protection to business in the event of unexpected events such as natural disaster, accident, lawsuits, or cyber attacks. By purchasing business insurance, a business can mitigate the impact of these events on its operation, reproductions, and bottom line. Business insurance serves several purposes including risk management, financial protection, compliance, reputation protection, employees, moral protections, investor regulations, compliance, and tax benefits. It helps businesses manage unexpected events such as natural disaster, accident, lawsuit, and provide financial protection to offset the cost of this event. And additionally, it demonstrates to investors and employees that the business is responsible and financially secure, which can lead to increased confidence and stability. Overall, business insurance is an important aspect of managing risk and security the future of a business. Why is business insurance important? Business insurance is important because it provides financial protection to business in unexpected events such as natural disaster, accident, or lawsuits. This protection allows a business to continue operating and maintaining its reputation even in its face of adversity. Additionally, business insurance can help our businesses recover more quickly for unexpected events, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. This is especially important for small businesses, which often rely heavily on the other ability to operate efficiently and effectively. Finally, business insurance can provide peace of mind for business owners and stakeholders, allowing them to focus on growing and developing their businesses rather than worrying about potential risk and liabilities. By taking proactive steps to address potential risk and protect their interest, businesses can better position themselves for long-term success. Common type of business insurance. General liability insurance. This type of insurance covers a business insurance for any bodily injury or property damage that may occur during the normal course of business. Property damage insurance. This type of insurance covers a business for any damage to its property such as building, equipment, and inventory. Common commercial auto insurance. This type of insurance covers vehicles used by business for transportations of goods for people. For example, if one of our delivery company stocks were to be involved in an accident, cyber insurance. This type of insurance covers a business for any losses resulting from a cyber attack such as hacking or data breaches. For example, if a hacker were to gain access to a company's computing system and steal sensitive information, this type of insurance will cover the cost of notifying affected individuals and restoring systems. Professional liability insurance, also unknown as occurs and omissions (E&O) insurance. This type of insurance covers a business for any errors or omissions that may occur in the provision of professional services such as legal malpractice or negligence or architect, engineer, or accountant. How to choose the right business insurance? When choosing the right business insurance, consider the type of risk your business faces. For example, if you have a retail store, you may want to prioritize property insurance to protect your physical assets. On the other hand, if you have a service-based business, you may want to focus on liability insurance to protect yourself from potential legal claims. Additionally, consider the size and growth stage of your business as well as your budget to determine the appropriate levels of coverage. Finally, Work with the knowledgeable insurance broker to get customized recommendation based on your specific need. Benefits of business insurance: financial protection, legal protection, reputation protection, human resources management, risk reductions. First of all, financial protection. Business insurance helps protect your business from financial losses resulting from unexpected events such as natural disasters, accidents, and lawsuits. Legal protection. Business insurance can help protect your business from legal actions taken by customers, vendors, or others. For example, if a customer sues your business for poor quality product or services, liability insurance can help cover the cost of defending of yourself, court, and general professionally settling the case out of court. Reputation protection. Business insurance can help also protect your business from reputations by providing coverage for public relations and advertising expenses associated with crisis management. Human resource management. Employee misconduct insurance can help protect your business from financial losses resulting from employees' action that violate laws or regulation, such as sexual harassment or discriminations. Risk reductions. Business insurance can help to reduce the overall risk running a business by providing protection against unexpected events that could lead to financial losses by taking out insurance policies that address key areas of risk such as property damage, liability, and business interruptions. Thank you so much for watching the video.